In this video, we're going to talk about the technical system architecture of an SAP NetWeaver application server. My name is Anna Lekic. I'm a senior consultant and a passionate instructor. The NetWeaver application server is the foundation of the NetWeaver platform. The NetWeaver platform is an integrated technology platform and is the technical foundation for all SAP applications. For example, the SAP R/3. The newest S/4HANA, which is the next version of the R/3, has a different architecture and is not part of this video. We are going to focus on NetWeaver application server ABAP, which is the foundation of the classical R/3. The NetWeaver application server follows the client-server principle, in which presentation, application processing, and data management are physically separated. There is the typical three-tier architecture, which makes the system more scalable because each layer is a separate system, not only for performance reasons, but for security as well. And here's the typical architecture of the NetWeaver application server. It has these three layers. The topmost layer is the user interface. This presentation layer, user can access directly. Beside the SAP GUI, there can be also any mobile devices or web browsers. The application server is where all central processing gets done. It coordinates and controls the application and also moves data from the two surrounding layers. The application server can have multiple instances. Like in this graphic here, we have two application servers running at the same time. The dispatcher, which is part of the application server, receives all requests from the presentation layer and sends them to three web processes to be executed. If data is needed, the application server communicates with the database layer. The database layer is the bottom layer. Here all data is stored. But not only the application data of business processes, we also got here all data which is needed to keep the system running, for example, or all the source coding of ABAP programs is also stored here as well. They are kept in special database sections. And as you can imagine, such databases contain a huge amount of data, and therefore there is also a so-called relational database management system, which manages and controls everything what is going on in the database. So finally, let's quickly recap what we have learned. The SAP NetWeaver application server is the foundation of an SAP system and has a three-tier client-server architecture. The presentation layer communicates with the application server. The application server does all the processing and makes calls to the database. The requested operation is done on the database, for instance, a query or a data manipulation. Then the data is passed back to the application server and the results are sent back to the user interface.